Hi, my name is Bilal and I'm here to answer the question, can men wax their armpits? Well, yes we can. I've been waxing my armpits for a while now, like ever since I was probably 20. And it was very painful at first, but in time it's become less painful. I know how to take the pain. If I leave it too long, I usually clip it, which is what you should do, because if the hair is longer it hurts more. If you don't want to use an emjoi, you can just use normal wax. But take it easy, do it slowly. It's a lot cleaner for a man. It takes a long time for the hair to grow back. It's better than shaving because it doesn't get itchy when it grows. The hair gets lighter in time. It becomes easier to do in time, and it's just a lot better. So I recommend you start. Don't do it all at once, just do it slow, take your time. I'll show you how. Just start from the top and just take small breaks. This is before. It's a bit painful, but your armpit gets numb after a while, so you won't feel it as much. Ow. And it's probably the most painful on the most hairy parts. I usually go around, make it smaller. Okay, that's one armpit done. Time for the second one. It wasn't too bad, and it's better not to leave it too long after you've done this, so I recommend no more than 40 days. So put a timer on your phone or in your calendar. Every 40 days you do that and it'll become a lot easier. Don't leave it too long. Now, if you don't know what an emjoi does, it turns around and each one of them pulls a hair, because it squeezes the hair inside each one as it twists, and it pulls the hair like so. I'm halfway through. Right, all done. Feeling much better. Now it's a bit red, but I'll just put some cream on it. Should be fine. Right, thanks for watching, and let me know how you go.